Hi.
This course, Parts of Speech Made Simple, by Dr. Victor G. Tevis is a series of videos discussing the different parts of speech. You're watching video 19 that discusses adverbs. You may visit our YouTube channel to view other videos. Adverbs are words that modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Adverbs answer the questions when, where, or how. Most adverbs of manner are formed by adding ly to adjectives. But not all words ending in ly are adverbs. Adverbs of manner answer the questions, how, or in what way. Examples: the group danced gracefully. He did it secretly. Adverbs of time tell you when something happened. They are used to talk about the past, present, and future. They answer the question, when. Examples: past, we went to the beach last month. Present, the pain is still bothering him. Future, they will release soon the results. Adverbs of place answer the question, where. Examples: last Sunday, I went out with my family. He went upstairs. My friend was here a while ago. Adverbs of degree or measure answer the question to what degree or to what extent. Examples: he works hard to maintain his scholarship. The adverb, hard, modifies the verb, works. He is extremely mischievous. The adverb, extremely, modifies the adjective, mischievous. She came too late for the meeting. The adverb, too, modifies the adverb, late. Interrogative adverbs are used to introduce a question. Examples: when did your father arrive? How do you feel? Why did you not go? Where is he going? Uses of adverbs. A. Modifies a verb. Examples: the police arrived immediately. He did his seat work hurriedly. He answered the question carelessly. B. Modifies an adjective. Examples: her performance was amazingly terrific. I am completely exhausted at the end of the day. She was surprisingly beautiful. Modifies an adverb. Example: he did it, somewhat, carelessly. Anne did her part, very well. Their relationship ended rather abruptly. Modifies the whole sentence. Examples: unfortunately, you have to take a remedial class. Luckily, his name was on the list of successful examinees. Surely, you will graduate next semester. Comparison of adverbs is the same as that of adjectives. We use the positive degree when no comparison is made. For example, Martha submitted the project early. The comparative degree is used to compare two objects. For one-syllable adverb, add er to form the comparative degree. Examples: Martha submitted earlier than Gina did. Jake runs faster than Dexter does. For adverbs ending in ly, add more to form the comparative degree. Examples: Jane delivered the speech more forcefully than Jude. She speaks English more fluently than Javen. The superlative degree is used to compare more than two objects. For one-syllable adverb, add est to form the superlative degree. Examples: Martha submitted earliest among the group. Jake runs fastest of them all. For adverbs ending in ly, add most to form the superlative degree. Examples: Jane delivered the speech most forcefully among the contestants. She speaks English most fluently of them all. Rules on the use of adverbs in the sentence. Rule number 1. Adverbs are placed immediately before the adjectives or adverbs they modify. Examples: he is a very sensible man. Very modifies the adjective sensible. His report was done somewhat haphazardly. Somewhat modifies the adverb haphazardly. Rule number 2. Adverbs are placed after the verbs they modify. Examples: the party was planned secretly to surprise their mother. Secretly modifies the verb planned. The girl danced gracefully, despite her stage fright. Gracefully modifies the verb danced. Rule number 3. The adverbs only, just, merely, hardly, quite, nearly, almost are placed before the words they modify. Examples: the child nearly swallowed the coin. The patient could hardly eat. She eats only at home. He almost made it to the finish line. Rule number 4. Adverbs may be placed at the beginning or end of the sentence. Examples: slowly, he walked to the door. He walked to the door slowly. Patiently, the dog waited for his master. The dog waited for his master patiently. Don't forget the comma after the adverb if it is at the beginning of the sentence. No comma if it is at the end.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be notified of new lessons. Click the subscribe button now. Want to help me create more free courses? How about buying me a cup of coffee on Ko-Fi? Scan the QR code to visit my Ko-Fi page.